In today's show, Bitcoin just had one of its greatest days in Bitcoin history, surging from the lower 14,000s all the way up to touching almost $16,000 within 24 hours. We'll be discussing this in today's show. Also in today's episode, the Fed is calling for more stimulus, which is really just code to buy more Bitcoin, says Tyler Winklevoss. As you can see right here, Tyler Winklevoss wrote, "This is code to buy more Bitcoin," responding to the Fed Chairman Jerome Powell. We'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. Also in today's episode, as Max Keiser points out, the order books show no Bitcoin for sale up to $20,000. Any offers between $20,000 to $28,000 will get pulled. I'm looking at a possible pause at $28,000. And then he continues right here. Bitcoin won't pause until $28,000. We'll update my forecast once it gets there, but I don't see any pullbacks until $28K. That's right, a $28,000 Bitcoin price. If that excites you, let me know in the comments. Also, Max went on to share 16K is no resistance. None at 17K either. Virtually no resistance at all. Bitcoin has no top because fiat has no bottom. Touche. We'll be breaking all this down for you in today's show. Also in today's episode, I have a major scam alert to share with you. CoinSwitch just scammed me of about $50,000 worth of crypto, exploiting KYC to withhold customer funds. This is the exchange. I'm going to be shooting a video dedicated to this particular topic a little later today. And I wrote, even after complying and sending all required documentation, I am shocked that Cointelegraph influencers like Keith Waring promote this exchange scam. Video coming soon with full details. Also in today's episode, top Bitcoin expert claims the train has left the station with $14,000 resistance now being broken. That's right, as Charles Edwards points out, the significance of this Bitcoin breakout above 14,000 could not be understated. The train has left the station. Also in today's episode, we'll be taking a look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, all the major cryptos are currently surging, but where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? Find out all this, plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button, that's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And if interested in attending this live event with Tika Twari, America's most trusted crypto expert, entitled The Crypto Catch-Up, your last chance to get the life you want, be sure to click the link right below the video in the description to register and RSVP. This event goes down November 11th at 8 p.m. Eastern, and just for attending, he's going to be revealing the name of his top pick, absolutely free. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. Lots of exciting news to share with you today. Let's kick it off with the Fed calling for more stimulus, which is really just code to buy more Bitcoin, says Tyler Winklevoss. That's right, the United States Federal Reserve is still unintentionally advertising Bitcoin, as the chairman Jerome Powell argues for more money printing. In a tweet on November 6th, Tyler Winklevoss, the co-founder of crypto exchange Gemini, said that Powell's latest speech this week was code to buy more Bitcoin. As he pointed out right here on crypto Twitter, this is code for to buy Bitcoin. Now, in this video with Jerome Powell that Tyler Winklevoss is referencing, Powell was addressing in a news conference which followed the Fed's November 5th meeting on the state of the economy and future measures. As before, he reiterated that the central bank had not exhausted its range of tools for supporting the economy. These have so far included heavy interventions in the stock markets, financial stimulus measures, and direct payments to Americans. He goes on to share, "I would just say that I think we'll have a stronger recovery if we can just get some more fiscal support, then it's appropriate. The size of Congress thinks it's appropriate," he said, quoted by Reuters. Bitcoin proponents have long warned about the long-term impact of short-term meddling in the economy by central banks that is represented by a huge increase in public debt seen in the US and elsewhere. In 2020, the Fed's balance sheet stood at $7.14 trillion. On Friday, near record highs, US national debt has now topped $27.2 trillion, a figure never before seen in history, off the charts, as you can see right here on your screen. Now, I want to point out something pretty significant that Max Keiser tweeted, which is pretty true, in response to Donald Trump's tweet right here. "All of the recent Biden-claimed states will be legally challenged by us for voter fraud and state election fraud. Plenty of proof. Just check out the media. We will win. America first." And Max Keiser responded, "Millions of us opted out of this political nightmare years ago. With Bitcoin, take as long as you want to sort this out. We don't give a what. In fact, the longer it takes, the mega richer we get. Take your time, hombre." Much respect to Max Keiser. That's right, this is a clear demonstration of simple supply and demand at work. Bitcoin with its fixed supply continued climbing as Powell delivered his speech. The largest crypto has gained over 15% since the start of the week and is now up over 100% year to date, rising to levels not seen since the end of 2017. As Max Keiser points out right here, order book shows no Bitcoin for sale up to $20,000. Any offers between $20,000 and $28,000 will get pulled. I'm looking at a possible pause at $28,000. So there you have it. Max Keiser obviously very bullish on Bitcoin at 28K. And he also went on to share Bitcoin won't pause until 28,000. We'll update my forecast when it gets there, but I don't see any pullbacks until 28K. According to quant analyst Plan B and others, this is to be expected as 6 months after its block subsidy halving cut the supply of new Bitcoins in half, investors have bought up the slack. These have included existing corporate buyers who have upped their requirements, among them payment gateway Square, which saw 80% of its Q3 revenue come from Bitcoin. Let's not also forget that the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust just upped their Bitcoin supply to now 500,000 BTC. There is virtually no Bitcoin left for sale. The popular Twitter account Gurevik summarized, noting large buyer support on exchanges at levels below 13,000. Sellers have yet to impact the market, even at close to 16,000. Checking out his tweet right here. There's virtually no BTC left for sale. So let me know your thoughts surrounding Max Keiser's $28,000 Bitcoin price prediction. When do you feel we're likely to break price discovery mode of 20,000 and soar on up? Do you feel this will happen in the fourth quarter of 2020? Let me know in the comments right down below. Also, I want to point out that the stock to flow model does predict a $100,000 Bitcoin price by the end of next year and a $288,000 Bitcoin price medium average by the year 2024. Let me know if you feel that the Bitcoin price will move in alignment with the predictions of the stock to flow. And now let's check out this next tweet from Max. He wrote, 16,000 is no resistance, none at 17,000 either, virtually no resistance at all. Bitcoin has no top because fiat has no bottom. And checking out some of the responses here, Ben Snow wrote, there's definitely resistance at 17,000. Max wrote, those offers real? Doubtful. So there you have it. Now, before I share with you this scam alert, as CoinSwitch just scammed me of $50,000 exploiting KYC to withhold my funds. First, let's take a look at the overall crypto market. We can see Bitcoin up 4%, the entire crypto market in the green, which is definitely a great sign for crypto. We have Bitcoin trading just above 15,400. We almost touched 16,000 yesterday. It was like 15,900-ish. We have Ethereum up 9%, trading at $441. Chainlink up almost 13%, trading at $11.52. Missed Litecoin up 10%, trading above 61 bucks. XRP up 8%, trading just below 26 cents. BNB in the green, Cardano in the green, Stellar Lumens in the green, EOS in the green, and as you can see, all the major cryptos are back in the green. All right, now I want to share with you how I just got scammed $50,000 from this company, CoinSwitch.co. I just shared this tweet, scam alert, CoinSwitch scammed me of $50,000 worth of crypto, exploiting KYC to withhold customer funds, even after complying and sending all required documentation. I am shocked that Cointelegraph influencers like Keith Waring promote this exchange scam. Video coming soon with full details. That's right, a little later on, I'm going to shoot a video dedicated to this horrific experience. Now here's what happened. Normally I would have just went to Binance, but I was in a time crunch, so I said for convenience I won't have to log into Binance, I won't have to deposit my crypto and wait for it to appear before I can trade it. So let me just bite the bullet and use CoinSwitch, as they show Binance as one of their partners. So I went ahead and did so, expecting to get an exchange on my crypto within 15 minutes. But not only did the transaction fail, they're withholding my crypto. I've been dealing back and forth with support, so yeah, they're withholding $50,000 worth of my crypto. And what got very scary, I started researching more into this, only to discover I'm not alone. People responded to my Twitter tweet in a very similar situation, getting scammed thousands of dollars from CoinSwitch, doing the same scheme, exploiting KYC to withhold customer funds. And guess what? I complied. I bit the bullet. I said, hey, I have nothing to hide. Even though this is unethical and not right, I'm still going to submit my identification, shoot the video you requested, as well as my transaction history. I went through all of this nonsense, hoops and loops, left and right, responses back and forth with support, to only discover my support ticket has been deleted on their website, which is support.coinSwitch.co. coinswitch.co, but I still have the email communication. So later on today, I'm going to shoot a video specifically about CoinSwitch scamming their customers by exploiting KYC information to withhold customer funds. Now, normally I don't ask for favors, but I want others in the crypto community and crypto space to know that CoinSwitch is nothing but a scam. They literally steal people's hard-earned crypto just like that. And if somebody doesn't speak up about it, they're just going to continue to do what they're doing, which is scamming innocent people. So please do share this. And once I have that video completed, dedicated to this situation of being scammed over $50,000, sharing all the documentation, I need your help to help share it so we could report them virtually so that other people don't get sucked into their scam. It seems very convenient. Oh, I'll just use CoinSwitch, bypass having to log into any exchange, bypassing KYC. But guess what? Once you send your crypto and the transaction fails, they steal your crypto and then they exploit you, requesting KYC, which is unethical to do. And even after complying, they will continue to withhold your crypto. Unfortunate, but it is what it is. All right, before we break down our next story of the day, top Bitcoin expert claims the train has left the station with $14,000 Bitcoin price now being broken. But first, let's take a look at the overall crypto market cap, sitting at 443 billion with 213 billion in volume in the past 24 hours. And current BTC dominance is 64.8%. And now checking out the top gainers within the top 100, we have AVE up almost 42%, trading at $37. Uniswap up 41%, trading at $2.56. Synthetics Network Token up 35%, trading at $3.49. Reserve Rights up 31%, trading at 1.3 cents. And YFI up almost 30%, now trading above $10,250. All right, and now checking out the biggest losers within the top 100, we have the Midas Touch Gold down 4%, trading at 2 cents. Hedge Trade down 1%, trading at 91 cents. Revain down 0.3%, trading at 1 cent. And a BBC coin down 0.18%, trading just below 35 cents. Now, out of this list of the biggest gainers and losers, which altcoins in particular are you most bullish on? Drop me a comment right down below. And now checking out the Binance margins, we can see the bears are back in control, leading with 52.49% shorts versus 47.5% longs. Are you currently bullish or bearish on the king of all crypto? Holla at your boy. And now checking out one of my favorite indicators is the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. Shows we're currently rated a 90 in extreme greed. We haven't seen this in a minute. Yesterday a 72 in greed, last week a 74 in greed, and last month a 43 in fear. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity, aka BTFD, buy that freaking dip. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for correction. All right, now let's break down our final story of the day. Top Bitcoin expert claims the train has left the station with $14,000 Bitcoin price now being broken. With Bitcoin breaking through its 14,000 resistance, this could ultimately cause Bitcoin to continue to pick up momentum like a locomotive and steam towards a new all-time high. I have been predicting right here in the show. I predict a new all-time high this year in the fourth quarter of 2020. Let me know if you agree or disagree in the comments right down below. In 2020 alone, Bitcoin has risen from a $3,800 low on Black Thursday to a current high of $15,500 in around 9 months. However, that was just the first stop, according to Bitcoin expert Charles Edwards. That's right, although 10,000 was a critical resistance for Bitcoin, 14,000 might be the nail in the coffin for the bear market. Finally, the bearish resistance block that Bitcoin has now cleared stemmed from as far back as 2017, only a week or so after the crypto asset set its peak at around $20,000, as we can see right here on your screen. Now check it out, Bitcoin broke above 14,000 yesterday pretty effortlessly. Not only did we hit 15,000, we almost cleared 16,000 in a flash record race where we met another level of resistance, but the train has left the station already, according to Edwards, who believes that the crypto assets next bull market is just beginning. That's right, I also feel we're only in the bottom of the first inning. This bull cycle is only just getting started. Let me know if you're enjoying it. Edwards knows his stuff, admittedly. He's the creator of some of the most effective network health measuring tools, including the hash ribbons, Bitcoin energy value, and the cost of production indicator on TradingView. Recently, his hash ribbons tool signaled that miners were capitulating, however, warned it wasn't a sell signal. He was right, as Bitcoin has only exploded further since by well over 6%. and climbing, as we can see right here on your screen. So why is $14,000 so important? Edwards says it was the last stop for the Bitcoin accumulation train before the bull market. It could be all due to math and the mind. That chart above shows the same level acted as the last stop for Bitcoin price during the previous bear market before the bull run began, but removing the resistance blocks and replacing them instead with the Fibonacci retracement sheds light onto why resistance there is so critical. The level just so happens to be the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and a crucial level to watch where there's reversals to take place. It's not clear why this relationship exists, but when assets breach through this line, it signals that continuation is likely, which is exactly what Edwards suggests will happen. And with the Fibonacci level so clearly important, it may be worth paying close attention to the 19.618 Fibonacci level, which acted as the peak during 2017, interestingly enough, at roughly $19,618 on Bitstamp. So there you have it. And now for a quick recap of what I covered with you right here in today's show. The Fed calling for more stimulus is just code to buy more Bitcoin, says Tyler Winklevoss, as I pointed out right here. I also shared the latest from Max Keiser, who pointed out the order book shows no Bitcoin for sale up to 20,000. Any offers between 20 and 28,000 will get pulled. I'm looking at a possible pause at 28K. That's right, he's projecting a $28,000 Bitcoin price prediction. That's the forecast. I'll keep you up to date. Also in today's show, I pointed out a major scam alert. CoinSwitch.co just scammed me of $50,000, exploiting KYC to withhold my funds. Even after complying and sending all required documentation, I am still shocked that Cointelegraph influencers like Keith Waring promote this exchange scam. Once again, a video with full details will be coming soon. Also in today's episode, I shared that top Bitcoin expert Charles Edwards claims the train has left the station with $14,000 resistance now being broken. As he points out right here, the significance of the Bitcoin breakout above 14,000 could not be understated. The train has left the station. So where do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go from here? Drop me a comment right down below. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto matrix. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And real quick before I go, if interested in attending this live event with Tika Twari, America's most trusted crypto expert, entitled The Crypto Catch-Up, your last chance to get the life you want, be sure to click the link right below the video. In the description, it'll take you here. Simply enter your best email address and register for this live event going down November 11th at 8 p.m. Eastern. And as a free bonus, he's going to be revealing the name of his top pick, absolutely free. So register, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.